If you feel stuck right now in your career, you're trying to learn things, you're trying to earn money, but after some time you're stuck in the same loop, and people around you going ahead in your in their life, but you are not. Why this happening to you? So let's talk about this in today's video. So today's video is not about any copywriting tutorial, it's about connection. I want to talk to as a person who understands your feeling. The feeling of being stuck, confused and scared. Why this happening to you? Because sometimes we expect too much from ourselves, and at the same time we underestimate ourselves. Everyone want to change their life, but some of them actually continue when things get uncomfortable. So let's talk about copywriting, because I know a lot of people want to learn copywriting or any skill to become financially independent, but they have self-doubt. Can I learn copywriting? Can I actually earn from copywriting? And what happen if AI replace copywriters? But don't worry, remember this thing, skill don't disappear, they evolve. So why do you have self-doubt? Because you have a fear inside, fear of starting, fear of being judged, fear of being not good enough. That's why I say you expect too much from yourself. And how do you know you are not good enough when you haven't even tried? One of you told me last week that I can speak fluent English when I'm alone, but when it's come to client, I can't speak or I feel stuck. That's a problem of so many people, and it's not your English problem, it's your confidence problem. You think other person is going to judge me that I can't speak English, I can't speak fluent English, I speak broken English, but you are not owning anything to anyone. You are not selected already. So speak. They wanted to check your copywriting knowledge and they wanted to know your point of view. After 2 to 3 rejection, you beat that fear. And even big celebrities who can afford expert English teacher, but they still speak broken and English in their accent, but they still praised and loved by people because of their unique style. So you need to speak, and nobody, I already told you, because you expect too much from yourself. You are not president of America or England, so don't worry, you need to speak. That's the only solution of your fear. So you need to speak. So start trusting your own journey too. You don't need 10 hours daily to change your life. You need 50-20 minutes daily if you stay constant. Because most people don't fail from lack of talent. They fail from lack of consistency. And I read your comment, I read your messages. So I see your struggle. Even I don't always reply deeply, but I understand you. Some of you told me you bought course but you didn't get result that you want, that you waste your money, but it's okay, you learn from your experience. But before buying any course, you need to research about that creator. You need to ask that person what you're going to learn in that course. For example, when you type what's copywriting on YouTube, there's a lots of video popped out. Beginner feel overwhelmed. That's why I start this channel. So because of that problem, I need your advice. I'm thinking of selecting few people for my personal guidance, where I review your copy, your portfolio, your work, and guide you properly. Yes, it will be paid because it takes real time and effort. So comment below, should I do this or not? One important thing, people have this mindset that only big creators who have large number of subscribers solve my problem. But mostly big creators solve the problem of masses. For example, I learned from those persons who are small creators, but I found their video after 2 to 3 years when they leave the channel because of people response. So always support those persons who understand your problem, who make video according to your problem. And because if someone earning 6-digit income, they're earning for themselves, not for yourself. So always support person, because after some time people feel disappointed. So support person, because we need motivation sometime. So that's it for today's video. I try my best to make more video based on your real problems. I can't make this video every week, but I try to make this kind of video every month to stay connected with you. Before I end this video, remember this thing: your life will not change overnight. Your life will change through small daily steps. And there's only 8 months left to this year. Your life can look completely different. So don't give up on yourself. I will see you in the next video with next copywriting tutorial. Bye bye.